Man, I just need to get rich fast before I even think about investing.
Wait, what? Did you just say you need to be rich to invest? That's like saying you need to be fit before you hit the gym.
No, but for real money. I've got like 500k shillings in my account right now. What am I supposed to invest in? An imaginary company?
Oh, come on. You don't need millions to start investing. Look, if you can buy coffee, you can buy shares.
Shares? With 500k shillings, what am I getting? One sip of stock?
Well, maybe 2 sips if you invest wisely. Have you heard of unit trusts? Money market funds? You can start with as little as 100k shillings and grow from there.
Unit trust? Sound like some secret club where you have to wear a suit and speak fancy English.
No suits required, my friend. You just pool your money with other investors and a fund manager does the work for you. It's like joining a chama, but potential returns.
So you're saying I just give someone else my 500k shillings and boom, I'm rolling in money?
Not exactly, but if you have you leave that 500k shillings in a jar, it's just going to sit there. So invest smartly and it will start working for you, like a little money soldier out there battling inflation.
Money soldiers? Now you're just making stuff up.
Oh, you think that's a myth too? You still believe the one where keeping your money under the mattress will keep it safe?
Hey, that's a classic. My grandma did that and she turned out fine.
Yeah, until inflation snuck in and ate half of that stash while she was asleep. Look, Juma, the only thing growing under your mattress is dust bunnies.
Okay, fine. So 500k shillings can actually grow. But what if I lose it all? Then what?
That's why you start small. You learn the ropes with low risk investment like money market funds. Plus, most of them let you pull your money out whenever you need it. So it's like dipping your toes in before jumping in the pool.
Okay. But can I at least get some new mattress first? You know, for safety.
Sure, get you a fancy mattress, but promise me you will start putting your money to work too. Remember, you don't need to be rich to invest, just smart.
Alright. But if this doesn't work out, I'm holding you responsible.
Okay, deal. But don't come crying to me when your money, so just